Tired of inaccurate milling? Frustrated with unstable work tables? Meet the BG6350 Mini Precision Milling Machine Work Table. Check the description to get the best price on Amazon. High precision with ball bearing sliding mode. Stable and durable aluminum alloy structure. Versatile for mini drills and other machines. The BG6350 is more stable than the BG6330 and BG6300. Solid aluminum alloy and cover for flexibility. Rigid base and flexible table for strength. Stronger screw rod for higher standards. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and hobby machinists. Ideal for precision tool users. Table size, 350 by 100 millimeters. Height, 122 millimeters. Adjustable X direction, 180 millimeters. Adjustable Y direction, 50 millimeters. X-Y axis scale adjustment. 1 circle equals 3 millimeters. Subdivision marks, 0.05 millimeters. Lead screws, M14X3, suitable for mini drills and drill brackets. Can apply to other suitable machines. Adjustable dovetail, slot aluminum alloy composition. Ensures minimum space and accuracy. Scale in front for easy positioning. Work table size, 350 mm x 100 mm. Height, 122 millimeters. Hand wheel with adjustable scale. Zero adjustment hand wheel, 1.25 millimeters per rotation. A lattice equals 0.05 millimeters. X-axis travel, 180 millimeters. Y-axis travel, 50 millimeters. Distance between grooves, 34 millimeters. High precision with ball bearing sliding mode. Stable and durable aluminum alloy structure. Versatile for mini drills and other machines. Imagine effortless precision milling. No more wobbly tables. Say goodbye to inaccuracies. Experience smooth and precise movements. Achieve professional results at home. Perfect for intricate projects. Transform your DIY experience. Upgrade your hobby machining. Enjoy reliable and accurate tools. Before, frustration and inaccuracy. After, precision and stability. Before, wobbly and weak. After, strong and reliable. Before, limited capabilities. After, versatile and flexible. The BG6350 makes it all possible. High precision with ball bearing sliding mode. Stable and durable aluminum alloy structure. Versatile for mini drills and other machines. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and hobby machinists. Ideal for precision tool users. Upgrade your workspace today. Achieve professional results effortlessly. Transform your projects with ease. Reliable and accurate every time. Experience the BG6350 difference. Ready to elevate your precision milling? Get the BG6350 Mini Precision Milling Machine Work Table. Order now and enjoy precision and stability. Check the description to get the best price on Amazon. Perfect for all your milling needs. Don't settle for less. Choose the BG6350 for top performance. High precision with ball bearing sliding mode. Stable and durable aluminum alloy structure. Versatile for mini drills and other machines. Order your BG6350 today. Experience precision like never before.